Hi guys, this is part 2 of Magic Box. So let's put in some markers. I'm going to add yellow again because I like yellow. Not really. And we're going to add turquoise and pink. I took this one out because, yeah. And I'm going to add this one in. For colors in. Okay guys, let's close. I only have markers in it, so let's close. Now I closed it. Let's see what it is. Okay, let's take it out. Let's try it. Wow, very good. Come back for part 3 of Magic Boxes.